want better in this country right now.
The little work and the little pay, it can't suffice nothing.
Come on, people, look at this. JLP only need to go. I am tired of what I am seeing happening. So only need to go.
Jamaicans are poorer than they were 2 years ago, with 10% living in extreme poverty.
We think things will be a little better. We are looking for things now shine. Couple of years now, about 4 or 5 years, we are looking for things shine up and we are going all right. And said things are going to go down. Things go for the worse. We want better living right now. Better living. Forget what we can live good. Live in peace now we had. Get good feet, we have money can buy good food, we have money can pay rent, we have money can pay with light bill. But at the moment, we can't pay nothing, nothing we can do. We cannot do nothing, and we don't want nobody to vindicate for little poorer class of people. Who have vindicate for we? They have vindicate for them big friends when they got up a hill. But them can go in a supermarket, we then check. We then check book on them big money and pay. What we are going to do? We just little small fry.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, the question I want to ask is, who can the people turn to? Who can the people turn to? You hear the people in Jamaica talk and say, we want better in the country. My viewers and subscribers, it's not me, so, it's the people in the country, The government come out with all kind of false statistics, say everything is all right. But the people must all lie, we are suffer. If you agree with the people, my viewers and subscribers, please like up the video. Come on, hit the like button, man. Press the like button and share the live. Make everybody hear it, because this government are wicked and time come for vote them out. Too much people cannot tell lies to them and suffer. And uno alone I feel it. All who care for our big rich friends. Time come, my viewers and subscribers, I want you to watch this video to the end and listen to this documentary carefully so you can get an understanding of what the people in Jamaica are going through. Please like the video, share the video, and most importantly, please watch the video to the end. Alright, I will talk after. Watch the video to the end.
I'm Rose, hail from the parish of Senton, come to Kingston, 1972, as a young little teenager girl. Things were really good them time there, when I just come to town. Things good, I could have pay my rent, buy me little food and but no, it worse.
Greater collaboration is needed if poverty is to be eradicated worldwide.
Jamaicans are poorer than they were 2 years ago, with 10% living in extreme poverty.
Go to Coronation Market to buy, where Coronation is cheap one time when they carry $200 go there, go buy. You can't come back with 2 big bags of something. You go in a supermarket with $300 or $400, you can carry home 2 big bags of grocery. Now that's not there again.
The things went up so high that when you go to the supermarket, there's no money for you to spend.
Yam go up to $180 a pound, and that is Coronation Market. Tomato, $500 a pound. Now we think things will be a little better. We are looking for things now shine. Couple of years now, about 4 or 5 years, we are looking for things shine up and we are going all right. And said things are going to go down. Things go for the worse. Little sugar, water, and little piece of bread for go with bed. That can't work. All the pit them, we try to get them out of malnutrition. We work hard to get them, the little pit them when they born, to get them out of malnutrition. And now, in this state here, them are going to get the eat. We are going to have a lot of people again, manlers. We are going to dead for hungry. We are going to dead for hungry. We can't afford this system at all. And it now gone away.
Families along the St. Mary, St. Catherine border who are living in squalor.
Last year, like November, the rain fall and it all like tear down.
Make something more accommodating, but the funds is kind of low.
Russia and Ukraine are raised oil. Them a raise flour. Them a raise chicken. Them a raise everything now. We want better in this country right now.
The little work and the little pay, it can't suffice nothing.
Jamaican economist and professor Dr. Andre Horton has been a strong advocate for livable wages in Jamaica.
The minimum wage, when you think about it, it is compensation to motivate those of us with the least amount of skills, education, experience to do work, you know. So it is normally paid to people in low-skill jobs like a man who does security work, or a housekeeper, or a gardener, or a man who does a particular packet bags at the supermarket, these type of jobs. When you look at this compensation and you compare it to other countries around the Caribbean, it is way below their minimum wage, which is the minimum that you need to survive. So when you talk about minimum wage, you want minimum wage to be juxtaposed against cost of living.
9,000 Jamaican dollars. 9,000 Jamaican dollars is equivalent to an American making $54 US for a 40-hour work week. The announcement came only a few days after the Bank of Jamaica warned to expect price increase due to inflation. Since the increase, Jamaicans have seen a rise in gas and food prices.
We want better living right now. Better living. Forget what we can live good. Live in peace now we had. Get good feed. We have money can buy good food. We have money can pay our rent. We have money can pay our light bill. But at the moment, we can't pay nothing, you know, nothing we can do. We cannot do nothing. And we don't want nobody to vindicate for little poorer class of people. Who have vindicate for we? Them are vindicate for them big friends when they got up a hill. But them can go in a supermarket, we then check. We then check book on them big money and pay. What we are going to do? We just little small fry. But hold on now. God bless United States of America. God bless Canada. God bless England and the little other country them. We taking black people they can work and send little money and little barrel out to give them people that them can get little money sometime in them pocket and little clothes. Little shoes and them something there. God bless them country there. Because whenever them country they will suffer with dead worse.
Out of 146 countries around the world, Jamaica stands at 142 with the highest charges. There are only 4 countries, Belgium, Denmark, Bermuda, and Germany, that pay more for electricity than we do in Jamaica.
The youths on the street, they need things to do. They left school, no job. How are we poor people gonna manage? Life is amazing, but things real bad.
Done.
Mrs. Holness need to go. She is not a good speaker.
A GLP or a PMP should have been a speaker. A speaker should have just been someone that don't vote. I am watching the news and countless of video, and I am seeing Miss Julia Holness, the way how she's behaving, especially when a PMP is about to talk. She have this ignorance in her face and in her voice. You can't be the speaker and this is the way you're speaking to another party. Not because you're from a JLP constituency, you need to speak to another person like that. I don't believe that she should have been the speaker. The speaker should have been someone different that don't vote. So they are not taking any side. And then now she is the speaker. There's so many things her husband doing out there and it's covering up. How is going to stop when his wife is the speaker? She's the one that gives the talk. Rubbish. She and him need to go. She should never be a speaker. You see the ignorance in her face? I see she's talking to Angela Brown Burke and the way she's behaving. even about the rules that we're supposed to hear about. She's telling you she's not saying anything. So how can she be the speaker? The speaker should have been someone that is not a member of any party. Come on, people, look at this. JLP only need to go. I am tired of what I am seeing happening. So only need to go. The speaker need to change. Give somebody else a chance. No PMP in our Labour right now supposed to be no speaker. Somebody will now vote. So if them sister the party are do wrong, them can't talk. If the party are do wrong, them can't talk. Only the one way I try to do the positive things, you're going to be licking out and rubbish. They need to go. And this is me talking. And I don't care about the GLP people. Them want to come on my page and talk up them foolishness. I'm tired of you. So I don't want to hear nothing you have to say. You disrespect me so much, I not even look for you. You full of this. Yap, 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 yap. Rubbish. You need to go. You not have up your so. Mark Golding is the best Prime Minister. And you only stand on a Prime Minister for me. I don't know about for Uno. But a Mark Golding, I say straight. And as I say, the speaker, she need to go. She cannot be a speaker and she's on one side because she's saying that party. She's not talking the truth for the next side. Rubbish. You need to leave. Me no want you as no speaker. Because you not come with nothing positive. When you're supposed to lay out a whole heap of things to you, you're going to tell us that you're not saying nothing, you're not talk. How you talk about? Eh? You know, say foolishness on you do. But guess what? You see if Jamaican people them now wake up and see where I'm going in the world, I'm sorry for them. Because them things say all the PMP alone are feel it. Them are feel it more than we. Because them are vote for no. All the rubbish on you do, them still a vote for no. I want somebody to get my vote and it will never change until the day Father God ready for me. Power to the world.
I just have one thing to say to the government, you know. You can fool some of the people sometime, which you normally do. But you can't fool all of the people all of the time. You can't fool all of the people all of the time, them, and that is what we not try. We not try fool the people, them. Come out and say, boy, you know, things is not as pretty as it seems, but the government is trying. Nobody come out and say, oh, he's lying, is the best government, it's like bread. My viewers and subscribers, time come for vote out these people now, because they don't mean you no good, they don't mean we no good, and they don't mean our children no good. Please like, share, and subscribe to Jamaica at Topic. Big up.